In this video, I'm going to show you how to add NASDAQ on MT5 mobile. Now, the first and the most important thing is that you're actually signed into a broker on your MT5 mobile that actually supports NASDAQ, okay? So if I go to the top left, as you can see, I'm going to tap on the three lines, and I'm currently signed into a demo account of MetaQuotes, which is from MetaTrader, of course, and they do support NASDAQ, but of course, if you go to Manage Accounts up top, you'll be able to create or set up a new one for whatever broker you actually want. Just make sure they do support NASDAQ. You can Google that, you can go to websites of different brokers and find which ones support it. Go to the top right, tap on the plus button, find your broker in here, set it up. Of course, I have different videos on how to set up different brokers, and you can find that very easily on YouTube and Google as well for a specific broker, and then you can go ahead and add that broker and sign into it on MT5. Now, to add NASDAQ, you want to go to the quotes tab at the bottom left, and then you want to go to the top right, tap on the plus button, and over here, as you can see, I already see a NASDAQ folder, so I can just tap on it, and here I have stock and I have ETF, so I have both of these, and of course I could go ahead and just tap on any ETF or stock from NASDAQ, or I could go to the top where it says find symbols. I can tap in NASDAQ like this, and I can just go ahead and basically find the one I want, and I can just, for example, go ahead and tap on the plus button here, as you can see, NDAQ, NASDAQ, EINC. I can go ahead and just tap on the plus here, for example, and it's been added to my quotes. I can go back, and at the bottom of my quotes, I can now see NASDAQ. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.